In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Strategy Tester in MetaTrader5. If you've never used it before, the Strategy Tester is a powerful tool that lets you test expert advisors and automated trading strategies on historical data. This helps you understand how a strategy might have performed in the past before you risk any real money in the markets. Let's start by opening the Strategy Tester. In your MetaTrader5 platform, look at the top menu bar. There you'll see a menu called View. Click on View, and from the drop-down list that appears, select Strategy Tester. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can do the same thing even faster by pressing Ctrl and R together on your keyboard. Both methods will open the exact same panel. Once you've done that, you'll notice the Strategy Tester panel appear at the bottom of the MetaTrader5 window. If you don't see it right away, make sure your platform is maximized and that no other panels are covering it. You can also drag the borders to resize the panel so you have more space to work comfortably. Inside the Strategy Tester panel, MetaTrader5 will guide you with on-screen prompts. These prompts usually walk you through selecting the expert advisor you want to test, choosing the symbol or trading instrument, and setting the time frame you're interested in. Take a moment to read each prompt carefully. The platform is designed to lead you step by step, so you don't have to guess what to do next. You'll typically be asked to choose testing parameters such as the testing period, the initial deposit, and other relevant settings. Even though we're focusing on using the Strategy Tester panel itself, it's worth paying attention to these options because they affect how realistic and useful your test results will be. If you're unsure about a particular field, hover your mouse over it and look for tooltips or short explanations provided by MetaTrader5. As you follow the on-screen instructions, double check that you've selected the correct symbol and time frame and that your expert advisor is properly attached. When everything looks good, you'll usually see a button to start the test. From there, the Strategy Tester will run according to the parameters you've set and show you the results. So, to recap the core actions, open Strategy Tester through the View menu or by pressing Ctrl+R, look for the panel at the bottom of the screen, and then simply follow the prompts that MetaTrader5 displays to complete your testing